Hi everyone, today I want to show you a fresh install of MakoBoard. It's a simple setup for a client which is just starting up. The client didn't want to have to log into Google Analytics, and then Shopify and then Facebook and Instagram to see their data. We installed a MakoBoard on a subdomain of theirs and combined the most desired Google Analytics, Shopify, Facebook and Instagram data they wanted. At the top you can see their Instagram and Facebook followers, likes and other data to their brand's presence. In the next section you can see from Analytics today's page views, along with yesterday, last 7 days, last 28, last 60, and last 90 days. They can also see the revenue generated this month. Data straight from Shopify's API. They can see their top customers for the last year, as well as their top selling products for the same time period, again straight from Shopify. They are an international brand, so they wanted to see visitors by country breakdown, which we gave them in list format, and by a pie chart. That's direct data from Google Analytics. All these widgets are available within the Google Analytics, Shopify, Facebook, and Instagram apps, which are a part of the launch bundle. We can create widgets from any platform that has an API or data sharing connector. So any suggestions or desires, just let us know. If you have any other questions or suggestions, you can contact us at any time and we'll be glad to help.